Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making our egg tarts with a nice fruit plate. So this is super simple. This could be a breakfast, a lunch, or even a dinner. So we've got our oven preheated to 425 degrees and we're going to pre-bake the bread here for the tart. So what we're going to do is actually we have removed the crust off of some whole wheat bread. We're going to take a bit of cooking spray and we're going to spray both sides of our bread, and then we are going to actually fit it into our muffin tins here. So we're going to repeat this process, all 8 slices of our bread. At this point, once you've got those sprayed, just want to make sure that you've got the tops because they will burn. So you can go give them one more quick once over like that. We're going to pop these into the oven at 425 degrees for about 15 minutes to pre-bake these. Just want to watch those close though. Everybody's oven runs at a little bit different temperature, so you really just kind of want to watch those just to make sure that they don't burn. But in the meantime, we have some other ingredients that we're going to work with here. And at this point, we have our beaten eggs and our milk, and we want to combine the two of those. So we're going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and season this with some salt, some fresh cracked black pepper. Stir that up. Okay, going to take a little bit of the cheese. I'm going to save most of it to kind of sprinkle over the top, but I am going to incorporate some of it into our mixture here. Just that way you get your cheesiness throughout. Okay, got that. Well, the tomatoes are a little bit too delicate to go ahead and put in this mixture, but we can go ahead and add our sliced green onion and our meat. Just lightly stirring that together. And this can go ahead and set while we wait for our tarts to pre-bake in the oven. All right, we're ready to pull our bread cups from the oven. This is exactly what we're looking for. Got some nice golden brown here. You should be able to easily lift them because we sprayed them well on both sides. Okay, so at this point, you want to go ahead and reduce the heat on your oven to about 350, 375. If your oven runs on the hot side, you might do 350, but I feel pretty confident that we can do these at 375. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to pour in a bit of our mixture into each. It's going to soak in slightly, and that's okay. So we're going to go back over each one. Okay, get a spoon. Okay, now we've got some more cheese. Go over the top. And I'm actually going to save these tomatoes for the very end. All right, we're going to pop these now back into the oven until our egg mixture is set. And this is going to take roughly about 15 minutes. All right, so we'll pop those in. We'll come back and give those a check in just a few minutes. All right, we're ready to pull our tarts from the oven. Tops look good. everything's set. So what you want to do, just take the tip of a paring knife and pop it into your egg. Comes out clean, that's good. That's what you're looking for. So at this point, we're gonna let these cool for just a few minutes, and then we're gonna plate these up with our fruit plate, and we'll show you the finished product in just a little bit.